we just walked out and literally this is the fucking street. That's the red team, that's the blue team. Day 2 and my sock is wet. I'll also accept Van Cleef and Tiffany. No problem, whatever you want. I bet a total of $1 and I lost it. Okay, I am in Vegas. Anayata and I have just come here on a whim. We were literally like, we booked tickets yesterday. We've come with no carry-on, no check-in baggage, just one little like thela that I've carried, like my handbag. I've put 3 like items of clothing in it and we are here. This is her outfit of the night.
I think I'm gonna like crop it.
Yeah, crop it
and
for
wear
sure.
a jacket on.
Yes. And guess what? I am wearing the exact same thing. So I'm gonna show my outfit in 1 minute. But welcome to my Vegas vlog. We're outside Flamingo, which is our hotel, and we just walked out and literally this is the fucking street. Imagine. Hell's Kitchen is here where we're going for dinner. And I am so excited to go to Hell's Kitchen because I've been watching Hell's Kitchen and I literally see Gordon Ramsay like yell at everyone and I can't wait to experience it in real time. I really hope he's there. He may not even be there. But I just want to see it. I just want to like experience it in real life. Guys, I am amazed. Like I've literally seen this on fucking TV and now I'm seeing it in real life. Like all of this is literally on the TV show and I'm actually seeing it IRL. I'm so excited. There's like merch everywhere. Like I've literally seen all this on TV. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. I'm here, guys. That's the red team. That's the blue team. So we've ordered 3 things off of the menu. We've ordered the potato puree, we've ordered a filet mignon, and we've ordered a lobster risotto, and our total is going to be like $150, but I think it's going to be, it better be worth it. That's our lobster risotto, our potato puree, and our filet mignon. It's looking banging. I like cannot wait to eat it. The lobster itself is a 10 out of 10, but I think total I give the dish an 8.5 because I think the risotto is good, but I've had that. In like 30 seconds gone. It's fabulous. Okay, fine. I think it's a 9. I changed my mind.
It is a 9.
It's a 9. I think the mashed potatoes are 10 out of 10 for me, honestly. And the steak, I'd say is a 9.5. Almost up there, but it's not the one. You know what I think would have made it a 10? Some gravy. So happy. Such a good meal. Half of it is gone before I could even open the camera and hit record. Gordon Ramsay.
You want to hit the casino?
Magic. It's called Hell's Kitchen, but I feel like I'm in heaven. Welcome to day 2, and my sock is wet, so I'm drying it. And Anayata has taken my video. Anayata, say hi. We are out on the strip in Las Vegas, baby. Crazy. Oh, there's a Panda Express also. College throwback. And there's like a giant Prada store that Anai wants to go to. Come, Anai. So we're just gonna look at it and then go eat at PF Chang's.
The location is PF Chang's.
Finally we're eating. We've walked for some 30 minutes. We've taken an Uber. We've stopped on the way for a little video that you guys will see. So we are deciding what to order. There is one thing I really love that I think Anayata will like. But more often than not, the food here is pretty good. Pretty decent, I would say.
Chicken lettuce wrap.
Let's eat. Take a lettuce. It's very easy. You can put a little bit of sauce. Put like little. Take this, of course. Stuff it in. Good? Okay. Yum na. Anayata approved bitch. I don't know why I'm abusing so much. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry.
We have the PF Chang's pork dumplings.
Cheers! This is your classic pork dumpling. I'm in Paris. Just kidding. Still Vegas. Still Vegas. We're in the Bellagio.
Bye bye.
And Anayta's gonna buy me a bag now from one of these
And
stores.
then we'll have to buy a
whichever you
suitcase.
want. I'm not picky.
Oh, okay,
Gucci,
okay.
Prada, LV, Alexander McQueen, whatever you want, Anayta. I am not.
actually,
Oh,
we're
babe,
going
so
to
this is the Wolfgang Parker.
The
restaurant that I was telling you about.
And
Anayta, if
please,
you can't buy me a bag,
I
I'll
actually
also
want something from
accept.
Van
I'll also accept Van Cleef and Tiffany. No problem. Whatever you want. I am not picky. I just walked into the Caesars Palace Hotel. It is beautiful. There is a casino everywhere. Madam Anayta is excited. And we're heading now to get coffee, do shopping, walk around, explore. Just look at how insane. We got dressed and we're at Shake Shack and now we're about to go for a show. So we gotta eat fast and go because we were really late. Like we were really lazy in our downtime. So we gotta eat fast. Crazy show, crazy night, crazy vibes. We are now at the casino. We're finishing our night here. I bet a total of $1 and I lost it, so I'm done. Fair enough. Valid. We are both jet lagged and tired, and we've pushed through. And we've honestly had a great day. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, and we're headed back to LA tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, press the bell icon for sure. I'm gonna see you guys next time for more Masti Manja scenes. Bye. Lots of love.